To increase efficiency of industrial gases supply chain, WICA offers bulk and packaged gas equipment operators a full range of measuring instruments for such applications as cryogenic gases storage and transport, welding and industrial packaged gases supplies, gas-based fire suppression systems, hydrogen storage and distribution, valves with integrated pressure regulators, valve manifolds, gas supply and control systems, gas cabinets, self-contained breathing apparatus, and CNG or LNG in onboard fuel systems. Because of its calorific value, hydrogen is often used as fuel. Hydrogen applications include automotive, fuel stations, gas supply systems, spacecrafts, laboratories, food and chemical industries as a reducing agent. Hydrogen imposes higher material stability requirements than other gases. When hydrogen is stored and distributed, there is a need to control pressure in onboard fuel systems, refilling stations, H2 dispensers, and hydrogen compressors. Today, WICA Group of companies is reliably positioned to be a one-stop shop partner for breathings, air, firefighting, cryogenic, packaged gases, hydrogen, medical and beverage gases providers, to name a few. Through its worldwide sales network and a strong product development team, WICA stays an internationally approved supplier for the mass and customer-engineered industrial and medical products.